Hey everybody! If you're new to creating original content for YouTube, or if you consider yourself more of a pro, a good thing to have is a solid intro to your videos, so you can better connect and engage with your audience right at the top of your video to better increase the chance of audience retention. Thankfully, Simplified's AI now has a new template designed to help you create solid YouTube video intros. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. To start, we'll come over here and click Generate Copy. Then we'll come down here and click Explore Templates. And from here, we'll scroll all the way down to the YouTube Video Intro template, in which it will write interesting intro script for your YouTube videos. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, all we have to do is fill out the prompts. We'll select our language, and then provide a title for our video. Once you've done that, you can always select advanced options, which include choosing the number of results you would like to receive in the first round, as well as the creativity level of the results. You can turn those advanced options on or off by using this toggle switch right here. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Generate. And there you have it. Simplified's AI has taken my video title and provided me with solid video intro options to choose from. If you'd like to generate more video intro results still, just click the Generate button again and again, until you're satisfied with the options to choose from. Once you're done generating results, you can always click on this heart icon to select your favorites. Click this icon to copy a result to your clipboard, which you could paste anywhere. Click this trash can icon to delete the results you don't wish to keep. And of course, click these three dots if you would like to edit the result to give it more of your own voice. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you to navigate the YouTube content creation landscape, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.